What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you another video for adding and subtracting of higher roots. This part we need to have some kind of simplification before we add and subtract the like terms. So I highly recommend you to have lesson 1 first. So in this example I have cube root of 54 minus cube root of 16. Answer will be 54 is 27 times 2, so we have 27 cube root of 27 times cube root of 2 minus 8 times 2, then we can say is 3 cube, 2 here, minus 2 to the power of 3 cube root of 2. These cancel out, it will be 3. These cancel out, it will be 2. So it will be 3 cube root of 2 minus 2 cube root of 2. So 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. So the answer will be cube root of 2. Next example. It's going to be 4th root of 48 plus 4th root of 243. The answer will be 48 is 16 times 3. So it's going to be 16 times 3, 4th root. 243 is 81 times 3. So 81 times 3, and here we have 4th root and 4th root. 16 is 2 to the power 4. 81 is 3 to the power 4. So that makes it 2 4th root of 3 plus 3 4th root of 3. So 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. So the answer is going to be 5 4th root of 3. Another example. Third root of 192 minus cube root of or third root of 81. Answer will be 192 is 81. It's basically 96 times 2. Or it's 3 times 64. That's better. 3 times 64. And here we have 27 times 3. 64 is 4 to the power of 3. And here we have 27, which is 3 cube root of 3. So that makes it 4 cube root of 3 minus 3 cube root of 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is going to be cube root of 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and science. You just need to simply go to the playlist and choose the playlist you want to watch. Thank you and have a great day.